Hi, my name is Bajana Barker. My first field placement was at Road to Recovery, which was working with people with mental health diagnoses at a day program. And some of the mental health participants also had dual diagnoses. What experiences do I have working with families, either in my job or my field placement? At my current job, I work with people who are 18 and older with physical disabilities, and a lot of the times I've encountered family members or caregivers who have very enmeshed behaviors with the participants, as well as very controlling and overprotective of the participants. What's the basic structure of your family systems in which you were raised? I was actually born in Russia and came over here for medical attention. And my family came over, it was 4 generations of women. So I come from a very long line of strong women. And my mother went to work, and my grandmother and great-grandmother had to basically stay and raise me while mom was off learning how to speak the language and work. Also, because of that, from a very young age, I wound up translating a lot of medical stuff and things that needed to be done for doctors as far back as I can remember. Which leads to the next question, which is name a role you have played in your own family and how the role might impact your working with clients and families. As I had mentioned very early on, when I had doctor's appointments, I was the one who translated for my family and let them know what I needed when the doctor said it, because it was too hard for them to find someone to do that. And I knew very early on what I could and couldn't tell my mother, because I knew what my mother could and could not handle. So very early on, I learned how to basically take care of my mom and my family, and I kind of do that now as well. Are there any burning questions about families' work that you hope to have answered in this course? I think for me it would be how to build a better communication system between family members as well as providers. So I look forward to this class and working with everyone. Thanks. Bye.